Do you guys want to see two amazing decorating acquisitions that I got today? The first is this hypnotizing, enormous, moon-like orb of a paper lantern that I got in Ikea today. The second great addition of today is this very straightforward, very easy to read clock that I put in the kitchen, great for using when doing kitchen work and just for general timekeeping. I found it at Walmart. Back to the paper lantern, I put a smart light in it with just about any color that I want available on it. Great architecture and decorating are so good for the soul, aren't they? And for one's health, I believe. What do you think? Thanks for watching Randolph's Rants. Please subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time.